You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you.
Oh my goodness, the snow came out of nowhere. We're heading to my 32-week doctor appointment to check on the twins. Hit our first big goal. The first goal is to make it to 32 weeks. So I'm excited to see the girls. Ah! All right, I just got home from my 32-week appointment. I had to get my Tdap booster shot. Are you coming to say hi? Did we go see your sisters?
Yeah.
Yes, how are they doing?
Then
Good.
I just got a shot.
I did just get a shot, huh? Did I cry?
No.
No, because I'm a big girl, huh? The girls are doing great. Their heartbeats were 141 and 147. My cervix is starting to soften. I am measuring 42 weeks at 32 weeks. So no wonder why I'm uncomfortable. Are you trying to drink my drink? Excuse me. You're drinking it all.
Why not?
This is always my go-to drink. It's a pink drink from Starbucks, and then I get extra coconut milk. So, and this one always tries to steal my pink drink. But if you have kids, since these do have some caffeine in them, just a little trick. I always order her iced coconut milk, and then I ask for a little bit of strawberry puree in it. So it's pink, and it's basically just strawberry milk. No more. So yeah, the girls are doing great. I'm extremely uncomfortable. I feel like I'm extremely emotional lately because I'm so uncomfortable, especially at night. I only get a couple of hours of sleep. I'm constantly tossing and turning. If I sit up, I'm uncomfortable. If I lay down, I'm uncomfortable. So there's no getting comfortable. So yeah, those are kind of my updates. I have to pee constantly. That is nothing new. I just feel like, excuse me. I just feel like I'm going like even more often. So I'm like constantly using the restroom. I still am getting sharp pains. What? I'm still getting sharp pains in the sides of like my butt cheeks. I don't know why. But I feel like I better have buns of steel after this pregnancy because I feel like at the end of the day that I have done squats like all day long. So it must just be the way I'm carrying, or I don't know if I'm like clenching my butt or something when I walk. I don't know, but it hurts. Like by the end of the day, I feel like it's so hard to walk. And if I lay down and like try to get up, it's miserable. Why are you so obsessed with my drink? She keeps trying to drink it. And the only other thing that I need to get is a stroller. I have been looking at the Bugaboo Donkey 2, I believe is what it's called. And I really like that the twins would be like right next to each other and I can see both of them. The only thing that worries me is how wide it is. And then I was also looking at the Silver Cross stroller, the Uppa Baby, and then the Baby Jogger. I had the Baby Jogger City Select with Preston and Kensington. I had it for about 6 years and it was a great stroller. I loved it. The only thing that I didn't like about it was that I felt like it was really hard to get into the trunk of the car. Besides that, it was great, and I'm sure that they've switched that by now in the past like 5 or 6 years. The Uppa Baby always looks so pretty. The Silver Cross is very nice. So we'll see. It is crazy snowing outside today, so I was gonna run a bunch of errands. I just started getting my hospital bag stuff put together. I just need to get a bag, and then I need to get like a duffel bag or something to put a bunch of clothes and stuff, overnight stuff for the kids as well. We're still trying to figure out our plan for when I go into labor. They're going to schedule my C-section. There's 2 hospitals that are closed. One is actually like a mile away, but they said if I go early, like if my water breaks or something, they want me to drive to another hospital that's like 45 minutes away, because it has the best NICU around. So just in case the babies, just in case the girls did need a little bit of NICU time, I guess would be best to have them there versus the other hospital, which does have a good NICU as well. But the doctors were mentioning if for some reason they needed to transfer them to the other hospital, you know, I wouldn't obviously want to be at one hospital and then the girls would be at another hospital. I can't even imagine that. So yeah, so we have to be prepared to either drive 45 minutes or drive like 5 minutes. So we'll see when the girls arrive, but baby watch has begun. Here's a little bump shot for 32 weeks, and my shirts officially do not fit. And these are maternity shirts, and they're like belly shirts on me. The girls are getting big. I cannot believe that I'm measuring 42 weeks and I am 32 weeks. I'm afraid I'm gonna be ginormous. I'm gonna be like out to here. Then my shirts are gonna be like this. Oh, thank you. Put it right there. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping with the drinks, Kens.
Look how slimy this is.
Ew, what are you playing with?
Slime is very slimy.
It's really slimy.
And then when you put your finger in it, watch. I think it's gonna stick to the paper towel.
What did you just eat, mister?
Nothing.
Are you sure you didn't eat anything?
Yeah.
What's all over your nose and all over your mouth? Huh?
Sugar.
Did you have a sugar donut? You can't say you didn't get into anything because I see it all over your mouth and your nose.
Can you help me, Mom? I got
Yes, let me see it.
dishes. How are you gonna get? It's all stuck.
Uh-oh, that's okay.
Go.
Be nice. Whoa, did you, oh, you mixed the colors.
Yeah.
It's turning purple.
Yeah.
Because what colors do red and blue make?
Purple.
Yep.
I was about to say blue.
Purple.
I want some of that. The more you put water on your hands, the more this doesn't get stuck.
Yeah, it's pretty sticky. Just don't get it on mommy's table or the
It
chairs.
just peels right off.
Not on the chairs, it won't.
Honey, I want some of that. I want it to make purple.
You do? Here, give her a little piece of the purple. Can you please give her some purple, bub? No, give her. That was like the tiniest piece in the world. There. What do you say, sis?
Hey, I wanted to make my own.
Oh, goodness. You know those nights that you just don't feel like cooking? Tonight is one of those nights. I'm telling you, by like 6 o'clock, I am just so exhausted and my body hurts and I'm ready to just relax. But mama has to do her mama duties. So we are trying to figure out what to make. The kids always want like mac and cheese and chicken nuggets, but so I can't decide what to make. I might make some spaghetti or pasta. I don't know. Okay, so I get asked a lot what my cravings have been this pregnancy, and I haven't really craved anything, but lately I have been wanting egg salad sandwiches a lot, which is like so random. So this is what I have been making myself because nothing really sounds good, and I just have so much baby in my belly that I just constantly feel full, and I don't know, I just never really want anything specific, but I've been wanting this. So what I've been doing is just buying these Simple Truth organic free range hard-boiled eggs, so they're already ready to go, and I can make myself an egg salad sandwich in like 2 minutes. What are you doing? Are you watching some Peppa the Pig before you go to bed? Uh-huh. You climbing around? Alright, let's sit. It's quiet time. Let's have quiet time before bedtime, okay? Please sit down. Thank you. I am exhausted and I'm going to take a nice warm bath. I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you know the next time I post a video. See you soon. Bye.